Hello everyone, welcome back to the Formula 3F. This is Manisha. In previous video, we have seen some basics of Microsoft Excel. In this video, we will move forward and learn some formulas and some functions in the Excel. So, this is the agenda of today's video. First of all, we will see how we can write formula in Excel. For that, we will move to the next sheet. Here in Excel, formula starts with is equal to. We can directly write 10 plus 10, and if we hit enter, we will get 20. If we want sum of these two, so we can write is equal to, then hit on this cell, then plus, again move towards next cell and hit enter. But don't you think this is a quite tedious task to do? If we want summation of all these, we have to plus, we have to write is equal to, then select this cell, again hit the plus sign, again plus, again plus, and so on. It seems quite tedious task. To make our life easier, Excel is Excel has made a lots of things super easy. So we have some predefined functions in the Excel. So again, next question is, what is predefined functions? Predefined functions are those functions which is inbuilt by the Excel. So first of all, I will go with the minimum predefined function. Means what? We can find minimum value all this through the through this column. So that predefined function also starts with is equal to. And Excel has literally made our life too easy. If I press M, I get lots of function which starts with the M. So MIN, and we got MIN, which is minimum function here. So again, we have uh, we get number 1, number 2, means what will be the argument for this? Argument means what should be the next thing you have to write in your formula. So number 1 means within which range you want to find the minimum of all. So number 1 will be this, number 2, number 3. So I have selected all the range, close the bracket and hit the enter. Now I got minimum of F3. Yesterday we have seen the unique address F3 to F12. You can see here, this is F12 cell and this is F3 cell. So I have selected, here you can see the formula F3 to F12. So we can easily find out we have minimum value, that is India and headphone. So our next function is max function. Function, as I said, starts with is equal to max. Hit the tab button and you will get that function. So again, select the cells from which out of which you want maximum number and press enter. you will get this number is maximum in the column. So this number is maximum of the all. Again, we have another function which is count. These are super easy functions and very easy to understand. So next function is count. Again, it starts with we got count here, and again select the cells, close bracket and hit enter. So you can see count is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So next very important function is sum function, means addition. So again it starts with the is equal to, hit tab, and if I want sum of this, we get sum. We will write here, we will just type total and we will write here is equal to sum, sum of, sorry, sum of all these numbers. Okay. Now next function is average function. Again it starts with is equal to, and if we write average we will get here. Again procedure is same, number 1, number 2, we want average of all these numbers, hit the enter. Average is 53,700. So these are very simple and few functions today we have learned. Now I will give you a super easy trick in the Excel. So here you can see the cells are of same size. Here you have written the characters which require less space, and some space is remaining, and here the some characters are hidden. For this we have to do alignment. So just hover your mouse and press it here, you can adjust your alignment like this. Okay. Now you can adjust your alignment like this. Now if you have put your mouse here and double click, you will get auto alignment. But what to do, we if you have so many columns, in that case you have to do manually all these things. But again I said Excel is super easy. So for that, select all the columns and keep your mouse anywhere in between the center of the two columns and double click on it. Now you can see here all the alignment is done and it auto fitted its size. So this is the trick for today. In the next video, we will see some conditional functions. So stay tuned for that, and thank you very much for watching video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much.